Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can comment on tasks in your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So let me head over to this workspace here inside my account on Smartsheet and head over also to this project sheet here. So let me also switch from, or let us stick to the table view. It's actually the best view for this method, but you may also go with the Gantt view if you like, or the board, timeline, calendar, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into the given field, cell, row, or column you would like to leave a comment. For example, if you'd like to comment for all tasks, simply select the entire column. Or if you'd like to comment on a specific task only, simply click into the given cell. And what you want to do after that, guys, is here in that top menu, click into that speech bubble icon here, conversations, to leave a comment to or for the specific cell, in this case here, this one here. So let me, as you can see, I already added a comment here. Good job, by the way. So let us go with another cell. Let us comment on, let's say, this task here. Let's click into it, select that speech bubble, and start the conversation by leaving your comment below. Like, again, good job, mate, or something like that. Press enter. You may also mention someone by using that key here at the bottom, or use simply that key on your keyboard. And after that, simply enter the username of the given user. You may add also emojis and so on and so forth. And your workspace members, of course, and the assignees to the given task that are working on the given task will be also given the opportunity to reply to your comments, of course, for the given task. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.